When we Greeks celebrate, we love to eat lamb. And every time I'm in Athens and I visit my Aunt Yana, I always ask her to make this dish for me, arnaki fricassee, or lamb fricassee. I love using a lamb shoulder because it's nice and fatty, and that extra fat will give it extra taste. Just want to brown this lamb up a little bit. Listen to that sizzle. Once this gets nice and brown, I'm gonna throw in my onions and my garlic. Smells so good. My meat is all nice and brown, but it's not cooked all the way through. That's the good stuff. So I'm gonna deglaze this with a little bit of beef stock. All those little brown bits are really gonna deepen the flavor. Oh yeah, that looks great. And a little bit of water. And I just want this meat to just simmer away and get nice and soft. Romaine lettuce is essential for this recipe. It's a really hearty leaf, and it'll stand up really, really well to the heat, because, oh yeah, it's gonna go in there. And I'm not gonna be all dainty about this, just super rough chop. And more dill, so lemony and fresh. And whenever my aunt makes fricassee, she always makes this sauce, avro lemono, which is avro lemono. And a little cornstarch. This is gonna add some nice richness to it. And there's lots of lemon juice. Love that freshness. And before I add my sauce in, I want to warm it up so that it doesn't scramble. So a little bit of hot liquid at a time. Just a little more. It smells so good, and the meat looks really, really tender. And I know it's ready because the sauce is warm in my hands. This sauce is gonna thicken up really nicely. Oh, it looks so good. And now for the lettuce and dill. And I just want this to cook down a little bit, and the romaine's gonna stand up so well to the heat. It's still gonna have a little bit of that bite. It really smells like my aunt's kitchen in here. gonna garnish it a little bit more. And I love me some extra pepper. The lamb is so tender. The sauce is really rich. It thickened up so nicely, and it has a nice zing to it. And this lettuce, still crunchy. But this needs a little bit of crusty bread. Oh yeah, we Greeks love our bread. From Athens with love.